Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to go inbox, send, mail, drafts, start using shortcut. So firstly click on this gear icon, then click on see all settings, scroll down and turn on this option keyboard shortcuts on. Now save changes. Now to go inbox, GI, press GI plus G plus I. Okay, now to send message, GS, and to draft, GD, to start, GS. So as we can see, GI inbox, GS start, and GD to drafts. So this is the way guys you can use a shortcut for Gmail. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.